Now we are going to construct some Quranic words from letters. This practice helps in learning and writing as well. This exercise is important in the direction of learning Arabic script. And in case if you can't construct words from letters, please refer to the Arabic letters connecting chart or the joining chart that we just learned that explains which letters connect to their left coming letters and which don't. So the first letter we're going to practice, inshallah, is Iqra, the first letter that is in the Quran. Iqra. Okay, now we are going to connect these letters. Iqra, alif does not get connected because it's one of the letters that cause division. Qaf, at the initial, remember, it does not get connected here, but it gets connected here to the left. And Ra is one of the letters also that cause division. However, it still gets connected to the right. And then Alif, it's also one of the letters, the 6 letters that cause division. It does not get connected. We can't connect it to the Ra. We just make it by itself solo. So if you remember the segments I was talking about at the beginning of this class, we have segment 1, 2, and 3. And this is how Arabic letters are constructed. The next word, inshallah, is sabbaha. Sin, ba, and ha. Now we're going to connect them. Sin at the initial, it goes right. It does not get connected to the right, but it gets connected to the left. The ba at the medial form, under the tooth, exactly under the tooth. And ha, if you remember, at the final form, it goes back into its original isolated solo form, sabbaha. Now, the next letter, inshallah, we'll take is as-sirat. As-sirat. Alif, lam, sa, ra, alif, and then ta. As-sirat. So we'll construct these letters. Alif is one of the letters that does not get connected. Lam, lam, it gets connected to the left, but not to the right, right? Saw is in the middle. If you remember, we have the connecting line already, so you just put you see, we have the connecting letter already. We have the connecting line afterwards. And then Ra is one of the letters that cause division. So we stop there. That's it. That's where it stops. We have this segment by itself and this segment by itself. And then we have the Alif. It causes division. So it's another segment by itself. And then we have Ta. As-sirata. The next letter, inshallah, is Al-Fatiha, the opening of the book. So we have Alif, we have Lam, we have Fa, we have Alif, we have Ta, we have Ha, and then we have Ha, but it's actually a Ta, and we'll talk about this later. So Alif causes division. It stays by itself. Lam, in the initial, it doesn't get connected to the right, but it gets connected to the left. Fa, in the medial form, we have connecting here and connecting here. Alif, it gets connected to the right, but not to the left. Al-Fatiha. Okay, so we have one segment, 1, 2. Ta, at the initial, it does not get connected to the right, but it gets connected to the left. Ha, in the medial, it gets connected to the left and to the right. So we make ha and then the line for connecting. And then the ta. Al-Fatiha, that ha pronounced at the end, you can pronounce it as ha, al-Fatiha. However, it's actually al-Fatihatu. It's a ta marbuta, al-Fatihatu. So this is how it goes. If you remember, we did the ha. It's actually a ha with 2 dots. All right, we'll take one more example, inshallah, and we'll take a nur. Alif, lam, noon, waw, and ra. Okay, alif by itself. Lam connects to the left. Noon in the medial, it connects to the left and to the right. The waw connects to the right, but not to the left. Nothing after noon, the waw. And then you put the ra by itself. So we have 3 letters that actually dividing letters that cause division. This is called a nur. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us his nur, his light. So now this is how you practice with the Arabic connecting chart. I will inshallah attach a PDF practice sheet that you will be able to download and practice at your leisure. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. جزاكم الله خيرا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.